Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am kind of sad to do this look because it is going to be my last look of the year, which is really sad for me, but I can't wait to see what 2021 holds. Hopefully much better than 2020, but I'm really excited about this look. I really wanted to do a nice, intense, dramatic, sparkly statement New Year's Eve eye, and I wanted to do a look with black and silver. And I know that even though this year is definitely different than every other year and we can't go out and we can't go party and get all dressed up, who said we can't get all glam and just sit at home? Because I know I'm going to be. And this is going to be the perfect look to ring in the new year. It's nice and bold, and I wanted to kind of incorporate everything that I loved doing this year. So I loved a lot of sparkle, I feel like, this year. I loved liquid eyeshadows, which I did use for this look, and I loved this technique of shadow. I love that large, intense wing liner. I feel like it's a really nice statement. It really draws your attention to your eyes, and I showed you my favorite nude lip combination. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and if you want to stick around to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the e.l.f. Cosmetics Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow in Black Magic. So we're going to start with the black shade first, and you can definitely just go in with the wand and then perfect it after, but I'm going to show you an easier way. So I'm picking up some of that shadow on this E06 wing liner brush, and then I'm going to create a line towards the tail of my brow, and then going from that line and sweeping it halfway. So my trick with this kind of look is to look straight ahead into the mirror, and because my crease kind of folds over my lid when my eyes are open, you're not going to see that design. So what I'm actually going to do is you're going to just apply this a little bit above the crease. So when my eye is open, you can nicely see the entire shape of the look. And now just going straight in with the wand and applying that all over this empty area just halfway. And then with this shadow, because it is going to look a little patchy the first layer, I'm going to let it dry and then apply another layer over top. I'm now going into the Pop Beauty Flash Shadow Liquid Eyeshadow in Cosmic Confetti. While that's drying, I'm going to start applying this on the inner part of my lid. And then doing the same thing and just outlining a little bit above my crease. Now to make this black really nice and opaque and really intense and dark, I'm picking up that liquid shadow on my F70 concealer brush, and I'm just tapping this over top of the entire outer part of that shadow. And then I'm going to start feathering that inward to really nicely just blend everything together. Now going to the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Zero. I'm now going to line my upper waterline. I'm going to apply mascara and false lashes, and I'm going to the Carity 3D Foam Ink Lashes in Jamie. And that's the eye look done. I am obsessed with my eyes right now. So for my lips, I'm going to keep them nude because my eyes are so dramatic and I really want to keep the concentration on my eyes. So I'm going to do my favorite nude lip combination. So first I'm going to line my lips and kind of fill them in and contour a little bit with the NYX lip pencil in Nude Truffle. Now for lipstick, I'm going into the NYX Cosmetics Soft Matte Lip Cream in Cairo, and I'm just going to apply it in the center, and then just buff that out. Now for gloss, and to make my lips look extra juicy, I'm going into the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Opal. I love these glosses. They're amazing. They feel so nice and lightweight and not sticky at all on your lips, and they feel really hydrating because they're formulated with hyaluronic acid, so let's apply it. And that is it. This is a completed look of my sparkly black and silver cat eye New Year's Eve makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love this look so much, and I love this technique, and I feel like it's really easy. I hope that you liked it as well, and if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, that'll be down in the description box, and also a list of all the products that I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma, will be linked down below for you guys to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And before I go, I do want to say thank you so much for all of your love and support this year. It means the world to me. I am so thankful for each and every one of you. I love you all so very much, and I hope you all have an amazing and happy and healthy new year, and stay safe. I feel like that means a little something different this year, but stay safe, and I hope that you are surrounded by lots of love and happiness, and I hope to see you guys in the next year. Bye!